Hello there! Welcome to our humble abode here sa Rosedale Hotel, Hong Kong, Causeway Bay. Come inside, pakita ko sa inyo kung ano ang expectations nyo dito sa Rosedale Hotel and mga features nito. First of all, let's go here to the bathroom area natin. What you can see there is the ano lang talaga 'to, very functional lang talaga siya. You have here the shower area, and then sa shower area, there is the soap, bath soap, as well as the shampoo. So, yun lang ang expectations natin, guys. Wala tayong conditioner here. So, if very matikuloso ka doon, dapat magdala ka din ng sarili mong conditioner. And then, this is a very small area, guys, of bathroom. Next, we have here the toilet as well as the functional bath bath area, no? Yung faucet area natin dito. So, regarding naman dito sa faucet area natin, hindi naman siya ka-grande, no? Talagang functional lang ang basis natin dito. Also, we have towels here na pwede nyo naman i-change per night of use natin, no? Ayan. Next, we have here the humble closet area natin dito. This one is a very small closet area. Take a look there. Inside the closet, what we have here is meron tayo dito lock area. So, if you have valuables here, pwede natin lagyan ng mga items dito, no? Yun lang nga, some of the buttons aren't working. So, hindi lahat ng buttons gumagana. Kaya, pipili lang kayo doon sa ano yung available na buttons. Like, tingnan nyo tong 1. O, pag pinindot ko, ayaw niya. Itong 2, ayaw niya din. Several of the buttons hindi gumagana, selected lang yung buttons na gumagana. But at least meron tayong safe dito, no? Ayan. So, this is the humble closet space area natin. Close na natin siya. Let's move on to the next sections of our tour. Next is this, little table. In this little table, meron din tayong refrigerator. So, ano bang pwede ilagay sa refrigerator? Maliit lang siya. Ang pwede natin ilagay dito is yung binibili natin sa 7-Eleven at other supermarkets, no? Ako naman, ang nilagay ko dito are my Yakult, which kailangan ko na inumin mamaya because this is our last day. So, I have to be able to drink all of this. Ayan. So, at least malamig naman siya, no? They also have something here to heat up your water should you wish. Ayan, yan ang mga features ng little table natin dito. Next, we move on to the bedroom side. Now, guys, I warn you, medyo makalat, medyo maliit ang bedroom natin dito. So, talagang pangtulog lang siya. It's not a place na gagamitin nyo pang, Instagrammable or anong klase. Pero ano lang talaga siya, this is a functional room for sleeping habang nandito ka sa Hong Kong, no? So, as you can see, this is a two bed space na bedroom. So, ayan, ano lang siya, humble single bed lang siya. 1 and 2 here. And then, let me open the lights here for you. So, meron tayong ilaw, little bedside ilaw on this side. Meron din tayong little bedside ilaw on that side. And then, this is the view natin. Actually, this view isn't the best because I don't know if you can see it, but right now, yung harap natin is another building. We're facing another building here. So, hindi mo masyado makikita ng maganda yung view. But at the same time, if you look on the right side, at least medyo may konting something, no? But then again, yung gagamitin mo tong hotel na to is just for function. Kumbaga matutulog ka lang talaga dito. Because this is, in my opinion this is the heart of the shopping center. Nandito yung Sogo, Haisan Place na mall, Sogo Mall. So, this is a place where you go shopping, where you go out. Hindi ka dito magsi-stay sa room 'no. Hindi 'to parang ano natin, hindi ka dito magre-relax, hindi siya parang hotel room na staycation 'no, no. You're out here in Hong Kong to go out. Now, last but not the least, oh no, this is the second place pala I wanted to show you 'no. So dito puwede ka magmuni-muni, puwede ka humiga-higa diyan, puwede ka magtingin-tingin out 'no. Maganda naman siya sa umaga, but then again hindi namin siya na-maximize because almost all day, lumalabas kami palagi 'no. Next, I want to show you last but not the least is the area natin of the chargers, guys. Now, this is very important ha, because let's zoom in dito sa chargers natin. I want to show you guys yung mga chargers natin dito because hindi tayo nakapaghanda. Dito pala sa Hong Kong, iba ang charging station natin, guys. At paano ba ang charger? Ganitong klase siya, yung 3-prong na charger siya. So, hindi tayo nakapaghanda. Buti na lang meron silang kahit papaano konting USB plug at saka this USB-C plug, no? So, naka-charge tayo pero hindi siya the best na pag-charge natin because hindi tayo nakapaghanda. So, make sure kung kayo magta-travel guys na may travel adapter kayo. Ayun, no? So, yeah. Those are the stories for this place. And last but not the least na topic that I want to discuss with you guys is magkano nga ba to stay here sa Rosedale Hotel Hong Kong, no? The biggest question. So, ang price po natin dito, we booked this using Agoda. And ang price natin dito is around 4,000 to 5,000 pesos per day. And how big is this place? Well, hindi nila sinulat sa website, but we assume it is around 15 square meters kasama na ang bathroom natin. Ayun. So, hindi siya kalakihan, hindi siya ganun kalaki, but the price point niya is good enough for the amenities that it gives, no? Now, another short recommendation lang, if you want more classy place na medyo mas malaki din ang budget nyo, around times 2 yung price, 8,000 to 10,000 pesos per day naman, just a block away is Regal Hotel Hong Kong. So that one we tried it already as well and maganda din siya. So this one, Rosedale, is for the humble beginnings natin kung gusto natin makatipid-tipid. But then just on the opposite side, highly recommended also is Regal Hotel Hong Kong. So that is it guys for this room tour. I hope you enjoy and see you guys sa next nyong mga trips sa Hong Kong.